more than 2 years after the Go Cross concept was revealed in Japan, and then at Auto Expo 2016 in India, Datsun has finally launched its production-spec version called the Cross in Indonesia. The Cross looks like a beefed-up Go Plus Micro MPV, however, the front profile looks more upright compared to the Go/Go Plus. Interestingly, Datsun has retained several styling bits from the flashy concept, like its auto projector headlamps featuring LED light guides and the closely positioned fog lamps. The hefty new front bumper gets customary crossover elements such as a faux skid plate and dual-tone treatment. While the new front fascia helps distinguish the Cross from the Go Plus, the side and the rear profiles still have a striking resemblance to the latter. The all-around body cladding and bigger wheels along with the front mimicking rear bumper do help out, but not that much. As we already know, the Cross is essentially a Go Plus, so overall length remains unaltered. The increase in width and height compared to the Go Plus are instead due to the redesigned front profile, additional body cladding, beefier roof rails and raised ground clearance. New features and cabin experience. The Datsun Cross gets a new dashboard featuring an all-black theme that makes its cabin look premium compared to the Go Plus's. Though there's a resemblance with the Go Plus's dashboard, Datsun has done a decent job to enhance its layout and appeal. The Cross also does away with the front bench seats as in the Micro MPV and hatchback. The seats both at the front and rear appear to be better bolstered. The 3-row seating layout has been carried on from the Go Plus, though the 3rd row is best suited for children in short drives. Pictured, Datsun Go Plus. Additional features in the Datsun Cross include a new instrument cluster with analog tachometer, digital offered with the Go/Go Plus, revised door panels with all 4 power windows and a central locking button, a new 6.75-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth, aux, USB and smartphone integration, and electronically adjustable outside rear-view mirrors with indicators, among others. It's a big step up from the Go Plus MPV, which doesn't have any of these features. Datsun has highlighted in its press release that it has improved the NVH, noise, vibration and harshness levels in the Cross compared to the other 2 models. On the safety front, the Cross offers dual front airbags and vehicle dynamic control that comprises ABS with EBD and brake assist, traction control and brake limited slip differential, BLSD. The Go and Go Plus, on the other hand, offer only an optional driver airbag in India. Engine and transmission. The Datsun Cross is powered by the same 1.2-liter 3-cylinder petrol motor found under the hood of the Go and Go Plus. However, it's available in 2 states of tune, a 68 PS, 104 Nm 1, and a more powerful 77 PS, 104 Nm version that also powers the Nissan Micra. The Cross comes with 2 transmission options, a standard 5-speed manual and an optional Xtronic CVT automatic, as in the Nissan Micra Petrol in India. Indian market introduction. It would be fairly easy for Datsun to introduce the Cross in India given that the automaker is already manufacturing the Go Plus here. However, during a recent media drive of the Ready Go AMT, Jerome Saigat, managing director, Nissan India, had said that Datsun has no immediate plans to launch the Cross in the country, at least not this year. Saigat said they are studying other strategies for the Indian market, but did not entirely rule out the Cross in production. In our opinion, the Cross could help Datsun boost sales given its crossover appeal, which is favored by car buyers here. Besides, the Go and Go Plus have been managing combined monthly sales of less than 1K units. If launched, the Datsun Cross could sport a starting price of Rs 4-5 lakh, rivaling vehicles such as the Mahindra Kiv 100 NXT. Meanwhile, the Go and Go Plus are themselves expected to receive a midlife makeover, and what could be better than to draw some design inspiration from the Cross itself. Jerome Saigat has also spoken about other exciting new products lined up for the Indian market. While he hasn't mentioned specifics, we reckon he was referring to the future derivatives of the CMFA platform that currently underpins the Quid and the Ready Go. A compact MPV based on the CMF-A was already confirmed by Renault last year, and Datsun might as well launch its own version, similar to what it did with the Redigo.